got a bit of a tricky one. A little cheap Gear4music acoustic. And there's a crack in the heel running down here and up here. It's not glued yet, that's just a clamping setup. So it's got enough pressure on there to be closed right to the end with one clamp, so I'm quite happy with that. I've got a syringe full of Titebond. It's not watered down, so it's going to come out quite slowly. Well, in fact, I can show you how slowly it comes out. Where are you? So I'm pushing quite hard. I'm having to push gently because actually I'm glad I bought a pack of 5 because I just lost the needle inside the bottle of Titebond. So that's how this is going. Like I said, not really want to take the neck off because it is a cheap Gear4music. By the time I've got the neck off and back on and all that kind of stuff, you're kind of like double the cost of the guitar, if that makes sense. Near enough, right? So you can see how bad the crack is. I'm just going to get in as much as I can. As much glue as I can, I should say. Ah. Needle popped off the actual syringe there, so I don't know if I should maybe thin it down a little bit. But I kind of want full strength. Just so I know that it's in there for good. I think maybe that's what I'll do. I'll thin it down a little bit with a little water and then try again. Right, got the watered down stuff. Pause it again, because I'm fighting against the clock near enough. There we go, look at all that glue squeeze out. Got to get it all cleaned up. I just have a bit of an emergency because I thinned it too much the first time and I went kind of everywhere. I was able to change the mixture enough to be a bit thicker, get in there, have good coverage, and quite happy with how it actually went. I'll leave this up, clamped up for a couple of days actually, just to see how well it gets on. I'm going to continue the cleanup. Barely used any glue actually, probably, you know, pulling it right back. Yeah, probably barely even a mil of glue, but it's plenty in there, plenty came out. It just shows how far glue gets when it's put under pressure and that. So yeah, I'm going to clean this up and I'll come back in a few days time when I've got a saddle and everything to set it up with. And a pickup, I should say.